Hello guys, let's talk today about the Wyze Cam without subscription. Is that possible to have my camera working without paying the subscription? Okay, so the answer is it is. As you can see here, I have my Wyze Cam working, and this is not live, this is a playback. As you can see, I have this green part that indicates there's recording there. I'm recording into an SD card, right? If I come here to the calendar, I can come back to yesterday. I just select the date here. So here we go. This is from yesterday. I also have this green part that indicates the video that's recorded there. Here I have more. So I can just change from playback to live view again. Here we go. So what I'm using here is an SD card. So it's a micro SD card, in fact. One like this, for example, right? Of course, I'm not using this one. I'm using a different brand from SanDisk, which is better for this camera. But I just need to use a SIM card like this, and I can play back there later here on the camera via cell phone. Or I can remove the card, use an adapter like this, and play on my computer. Okay, so pretty easy. When you insert the SD card here, you just need to come here to the settings, and on advanced, you're gonna find your SD card information. So you can record a micro SD card with continuous mode or with events only, which is much better because you can just have the mark that indicates that you have recordings there based on events. When there's motion, for example, motion detection or sound detection. Here you can check your card, the capacity, you can format your card as well. So back here, you can also move back and enable here detection settings and choose the sensitivity, if it's low, if it's high, whatever you want here, you can adjust. And here for the events recording. So you can record based on motion detection or also sound detection, okay? So pretty easy. You can also have smart detection if you pay the extra features. Here, for example, there's some smart detection that detecting person, friendly faces, vehicles, packages. Some of them requires that you buy the plan, the Cam Protect plan. Okay, so here's the price. But if you don't want to, you have just basic features. Still, they are super good. Okay, so basically it works like this. So you don't need a subscription to have your Wyze Cam working. You just need to insert an SD card and start working, recording locally in the camera, and can access via cell phone and also via computer. I have another video here in this channel that explains how to insert an SD card and how to start using it, all right? So I hope this helps. Please subscribe to this channel, leave a thumbs up in your comments, and I see you in the next one.